Yes, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another trade recap. So this video is going to be slightly different, okay? This is actually going to be going over my Nasdaq trade that I took my futures account there yesterday. Obviously, I mainly am a forex trader. However, over the last 2 months, I've been obviously back testing, trying to develop an edge in the market for futures. So if you guys do want to see obviously the trades that I'm posting for futures as well, make sure you let me know in the comments down below. Okay, but let's get into it. Okay, so I mainly trade Nasdaq. Okay, I just use ES as kind of what I'd use DXY for in terms of confirmation. Okay, so basically all I was looking for on Nasdaq was for us to take out one of these lows here. Okay, because we did already fill out this new week opening gap, which as we can see here. Okay, however, the reason as to why longs made sense in this scenario is because, in my opinion, what ES is doing. Okay, ES tapped into the new week opening gap here, basically, well, filled not all of it, but did fill the new week opening gap, and then we had a clear long, or sorry, bullish displacement from this area here. Okay, if I just cut it back actually here so it's a bit more easier to read. Okay, it's a lot easier on Nasdaq. Okay, so I was looking at this 5 minutes BPR. Okay, I was looking for us to close through this fair value gap here. Okay, this bearish one. Okay, which we did. Okay, this is perfect sort of rejection. Okay, which is what I wanted to see. All I was looking for then was for a price to tap into the BPR, sorry, okay, and then continue up. Okay, so if I just bring it back here now, as we can see, price takes up here. All I was waiting for then was a break of structure. Now you could probably argue that, okay, no, you couldn't actually. I thought that was a blue candle, but never mind. Okay, I was just waiting for us to close above this high. Okay, once we did close above this high, I entered. It was about 9. I had one position at 9,496 and another position at 80. Okay, sorry, this made me $1,000 as well on my Fibers futures account as well. I'll put it up on the screen as always. Okay, so that was basically the mindset behind it. If you took shorts today, I don't know why you're thinking. I think you need to reevaluate your trading. There's no way we could be looking for shorts. In my opinion, I think it was just so obvious that we were going to be going bullish today. Okay, and especially with what the market did produce for us as well during market open as well. Okay, so as I said, that was basically all I was looking for. Now I was targeting actually here it was basically a 2.5 risk reward. So the reason being is because I had a consistency. I was looking to obviously get this as high as possible so I could pass the count. Now I just need $500 to pass it. But if we just skip on here now, let price play out, we can see we're going up. Went down a little bit again, and then inevitably we then ended up taking out and hitting my take profit. Okay, so it was honestly a really good trade. As I said, like, this is still something that's kind of new to me. As I said, my main craft, my expertise is in the CFD space, forex. Okay, that's what I predominantly have been trading for the last 3 years. Okay, so this is something new, so it is a bit of a learning curve for me. Okay, but obviously if you guys want to see these videos, I'm more than happy to make them for you guys. Okay, you can obviously come along on my future journey as well. Okay, so let me know. But as always, guys, I really do appreciate you watching the video. Okay, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.